Would that I were a free bird. It would not need any passport to have a flight from one sky to the other. My nose smells the stench of explosives hidden in the earth, and I snoop footsteps of the secret agencies chasing behind. I have inherited the tradition to love in response of hatred that I intend to transmit to the next generation with full sincerity. In the civilized world the war is prohibited, but the guardians of peace have especially granted us the permission of war. Our seasons, children, literature, and traditions. Everything is ready to turn into ashes. Oh, my beloved! Let us shed tears for those roses, which are destined to wither soon. I smell love emitting from light yellow pale skin of your body. Get a last glimpse of me, with the eyes resembling lily flowers. For my wrist is in the clutches of death, and I won't say anything to you, because my very poems are my will.